Hi children, welcome back to the online class of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. How are you children? Hope you all had a wonderful Christmas. So children, let's come back to our class. I am Swati, your IT teacher. In our previous class, we have started our 5th chapter, Control Panel. And what is Control Panel children? Yes, it is the part of Windows operating system and it allows you to view and change the system settings. And how can we start control panel in our system? So let's see. First click on the start button. On the right pane, here you can see the control panel. Just click on it. So when you click on it, you can see the window of control panel just like this. So see, here you can see different applets. Okay, these are the different applets which are included in the control panel. Now let's see the functions of each applets one by one. Yes children, the first one is system and security. Okay children, when you click on it, yes, this window will appear. So here you can see different applets are there. Okay, so system and security, it allows you to view computer system information and settings. Also you can view and change the computer security system. Okay, so here you can see several subcategories of system and security, in which most of the applets are dedicated to security of Windows. See this Action Center, then Windows Firewall, Windows Update and BitLock Drive Encryption. So these are the 4 apps which are dedicated to the security of Windows. Okay, it allows us to enhance the safety and security of the computer. And other applets in this category are, yes, power options. Okay, it allows you to change how Windows manages the power button. For example, you can change the power button to put your computer to sleep instead of shutting down. Okay, yes, and then backup and restore. So backup and restore for saving your computer data to a backup facility. So it can be a drive or another network location to which you can save your data in computer. Okay, yes. And the next one is administrative tools. Okay, it allows you to free up disk space and make partition drives on your computer. And the next one is system, and it allows you to view all the details of your computer, and it includes version of Windows, then processor speed, RAM if it is 32-bit or 64-bit, if pen or touch is enabled in your system, and also you can view your computer's name using this system. Okay children, so that's about system and security. And children, next one is network and internet, which allows you to view your network status, configure other network settings, and also you can view your computer is connected to which network connection. So click on it. Here you can see it is the window of network and internet. So here there are network applets which helps you to connect to a network, add wireless device to the network, and also you can view computers and device connected to the network, and the internet options, and that are internet applets which allow you to change your home page, edit your browser and delete your internet history. So network and sharing center, it is one of the important applet of network and internet. So when you click on it, you can see these window. So here you can view basic networking information, and through which you can set up a new connection, and also you can troubleshoot network problems. Okay, yes, so that's about network and internet category of control panel. And children, the next one is programs, and it allows you to get new programs, and also you can uninstall programs on your computer. So when you click on it, you can see, yes, this window, in which the last one, that is the desktop gadgets, and when you click on it, it contains gadgets that are already installed on your computer, and through that applet you can get more gadgets online, or you can even uninstall a gadget with this applet. Okay, and one of the most important category of programs is programs and features, and this applet allows you to see the different programs installed on your computer, and it also allows us to uninstall any programs with this applet. Okay, so how can we uninstall a program? First go to control panel, then programs. Okay, so after that click on that programs and features. Here you can see different installed programs on your computer. Okay, so click on any program that you wish to install. So when you click on it, you can see uninstall or change option appears above the list. Okay, so that the selected program will be uninstalled from your computer. I have clicked on Google Chrome, so the uninstall option appeared, and when you click on it, that application Google Chrome will be uninstalled from your computer. Children, be very careful while uninstalling, because uninstalling means you will lose all the important files of that software. Okay, and children, the next one is user accounts and family safety, which allows you to view user accounts, and also you can adjust user account settings like passwords, and also change account type. And this when you click on that user accounts and family safety, here you can see different applets, and the first one is user accounts. It lets you add picture to your user account, add or remove user account, and also you can change your Windows password. Okay children, yes children, we have discussed about 4 categories of control panel. What are they? System and security, network and internet, then programs, user accounts, and family safety. So try to practice it and learn. Read your textbook thoroughly. Okay children, so let's see in the next class with some new categories of control panel. Till then, take care. Bye.